Hey there folks, so the guys are doing the prep work, putting up the frames and the solar panels. These puppies here are going all the way up on the rooftop. Well, these guys will be producing around 3 kilowatts, and a bit later Nicola will give us a detailed description of the system. We'll be using that to power the pump in the well, but we'll also be using the same grid to power everything that's inside the shed. The shed will be used as our workshop for all the power tools, lights, cameras, Wi-Fi as well. The whole system will be using the same power grid. Let's see how it goes. Hey folks, so this is the power plant, this is the fuse box. We'll be placing the batteries on these two shelves. Batteries, and work is progressing quite good. The guys are done with setting up the frames, the holders for the panels. Let's see how that looks. Excellent. Ja. Sad ću da skoknem po to. But we will have to cut down the 2 branches, and hopefully the tree will continue moving forward in that direction. Cool. Okay, let's check out the panels. Oh, nice. Beautiful, man. Beautiful spot. Excellent work, guys. Excellent work. Unfortunately, this branch has to go, but this is looking great. Thank you. Check it out, folks. The panels are up. The branches have been cut down. And for the next step, Nicola's going to be doing the wiring. And hopefully, the next hour, we'll do a test run. Pretty sweet. Yo, guys. We are hot. Hey, Johnny. Next. Okay. Looking good, folks. The panels are up. Everything is connected. The power is on. The moment of truth. Woohoo! Solar powered. Wow. Amazing. Amazing. Okay, folks, we have a huge milestone today. The well is using the power collected from the solar system. This is the day 1 of the installation, and in a couple of days We'll be doing all the wiring on the inside. The surveillance system is up. Here's the power plant, the batteries, the fuse box. Everything is looking good. Everything is in place. And this will become this is our workshop that we'll be using to craft out everything else we need on the ranch. We are very, very happy and very grateful. This is an amazing feeling. Thank you all. Stay tuned.